number of mole of a substance. Okay, so in chemistry, the concept of mole is very important because it is one of those fundamental principles that you have to understand before you can understand more advanced principles. Mole is very useful in various calculations, and it gives us an insight into better understanding of chemical concepts. So to start with, what is mole? Okay, so when we talk about mole, for example, if we say 1 mole of something, say 1 mole of something, of a substance, for instance. So it means the number, it means like 6.02, it means 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 molecules of that substance. Okay, so for instance, if we are told that maybe we have 4 grams of sodium hydroxide is a base, and we are told to um, calculate the number of mole of this. How do we go about solving this problem? Well, the first thing we need to do is to determine the molar mass of sodium hydroxide. So to determine the molar mass of sodium hydroxide, so say molar mass of sodium hydroxide will be equals to the relative atomic mass of sodium is 23 on the periodic table, and we have just one of it, and here is 1, plus oxygen is 16, and we have just one oxygen atom, times 1, plus hydrogen is 1, and we have just one hydrogen atom. So if we sum these together, we will have a total molar mass value of 40 grams per mole. So this is the molar mass of sodium hydroxide. Now to calculate the number of mole, so number of mole will be equals to mass of substance, in this case, which is sodium hydroxide, divided by molar mass. And we are given the mass to be 4 grams right here. So we're just going to put 4 grams divided by the molar mass of sodium hydroxide that we calculated here is 40 grams per mole. Okay, so what would this give us? So this is 1 over 10 and this is 0.1 mole. That means the number of mole of sodium hydroxide is 0.1 mole. So 4 grams of NaOH is equivalent to 0.1 mole of NaOH. And that is the answer. So you're going to apply this same principle to every other substances that is given to you to calculate their molar mass, to calculate their number of mole. So you only need to know the mass of the substance, and also you can calculate the molar mass of the substance in as much as the chemical formula for the compound is provided to you. Then you just divide the mass of the substance by the molar mass of the substance to get the number of mole. I hope you find this helpful. If you have any other question, you can comment on this video, and let me know what your question is, and then I can make more video to provide explanation on this concept. And it doesn't have to be limited to this video. You can also contact me maybe by email to request solutions to some problems, or to make videos on some important concepts in chemistry. Okay.